Good morning. My name is Donna Owen, and I am running for the board position of Southwest Region Director, NCNA. I would appreciate a moment of your time to introduce myself and share some thoughts about NCNA. NCNA is an excellent organization to be involved with and has provided opportunities which have certainly helped to shape my practice and my profession. I have been a registered nurse for 38 years and have been employed at Carolinas Medical Center over the course of that time. My background is medical surgical nursing and nursing administration. I am currently employed as the Director of Nursing Practice at CMC. I'm very thankful for my nursing career and the different opportunities that I have experienced. These opportunities certainly add value from a professional and a personal level. NCNA represents the interest of registered nurses across all levels. I think this is important as it yields an opportunity for nurses to work together to help shape our practice, shape our profession, and help guide the direction of health care. Our membership is growing, which makes us stronger and much more influential. NCNA membership provides opportunities for continuing education, networking, and exposure to the political environment. Members can be involved at the district or regional level, the state level, and/or the national level as their own personal interest permits. I would appreciate your vote and offer my commitment to continue serving NCNA. I am the outgoing president of District 5 and a newly appointed member to the NCNA Bylaws Committee. If selected, I would be honored to continue service as the Southwest Region Director. I hope to have the opportunity to meet many of you at upcoming events, and particularly am looking forward to the convention in October. Thank you, and have a great day.